Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to log in to Netflix on your desktop with the help of a Netflix application. But before jumping into our video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you don't want to miss any videos from us, turn on the notification bell. Now moving back to our video, make sure that the device is connected to the internet and also make sure that Netflix is already installed on your device. And then in the taskbar there will be a section where you can search. Press there and search Netflix. Then press open. After opening Netflix, there you can see a red sign in button on the top right hand side of the screen. After that it will ask you for your email address and your password. After you enter your registered email address and password, press the sign in button. Then you will be successfully signed in to Netflix account. And if you are having any problem with the sign in or you have forgotten your password, press a section where it is written forgot your password. Then it will ask you for your email address that you used previously for the registration. Then you can surely recover your account and then again log in to your account. So this is how you log in to Netflix on your device. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We'll be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.